Det gör jag, absolut. I'm in the lake stretch. It's not good.
We started racing airplanes in 1909, just a handful of years later. If you look to your left now, ladies and gentlemen, here comes 323 years of air racing history. I think it would be, you'd be hard pushed to get that many years of air racing history in one formation. The Havilland Comet at the front there, Grosvenor House, then the Mystery Ship, Type R and Comet. Just a phenomenal amount of history there. And there's a race at Reno, pylon racing, and the King's Cup, that's a handicap race. Here comes the Comet round the corner now, twin engine aeroplane. And I'm followed by the Mystery Ship, and then, as I've said, the new Gull and the Cosmic Wind. I'm going to talk about the American aeroplanes first. The Mystery Ship, the Traveller Mystery Ship, just flying around the corner now, just about to roll out and fly down the runway. It's a 1929 aeroplane. Actually, this one is a replica, but it was originally built in the late 20s. Percival, just up the road from here to Flemington Racetrack in Melbourne. And it was designed by Arthur Hagg. And just, there were 3 of them built, and just a phenomenal story. It first flew 6 weeks before the race. And it seats 2 people, one in the front, one in the back. There's just instruments and controls in the front. Being overtaken by the Cosmic Wind there. Too many words being said, but they actually faltered. They had engine problems, amongst other things. Look at the beautiful lines on that Comet race. That wing today is absolutely on this day. Here comes the Comet again. I love Charles Scott's quote when he arrived in Australia. He said, "I'm terribly embarrassed by your enthusiasm," which is amazing to say after 4 days of flying. There's the view Gull. And this aeroplane, this just, to me, is 39 hours and 23 minutes. So, you know, in other words, if you set off now and you'd be arriving at
270, 180 mph, miles per hour. The DC-3, as I said before, was conceived down in the mid-30s by Donald Douglas and Company in California. And some people say it's normal because look at this aircraft. It looks like as if it was designed by some special